fantastic show in store for you, and don't forget everything 5 easy payments and free shipping. So we're going to start with essentials from Denim & Company, and I mentioned that Gary Gobin is here and he's going to start the show off for us, but I'll quickly tell you, you get 3 of the So Soft jersey round neck tops together as a set. These are sale priced $59.98. That means $20 per top. And if you know Denim & Company, that is a huge value. So what are your choices? We have black, orchid, and pine as a set of 3. We have your set of 3 that includes yellow, light gray, and chambray. You can choose your essential 3-pack with the colors teal, alpine frost, and white. And then the next choice for you will include what we're calling rose. I will tell you, rose is really more of a peachy color, then navy and tapioca. And then the final trio is your blue, your slate gray, and then the rose, which is more of a dusty mauve color. So you get all 3 of the tops for under $60 on a day when it ships to you for free, and you can use your credit card for the easy pay that works out to $12. So let's say good morning to Gary, who's here. Hello there.
Good morning. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
Happy spring.
I feel very,
she looks very spring.
I feel very springy.
Yeah,
you know, I'm ready.
I
ready
love
for
it.
Mid-February.
And we seem to be starting the show off a little crazy town, right?
I will tell you that you get 3 of these tops for this price, because you and I talk about this a lot, and you share with people often. If you look for just a single
one,
you'd never get it for $20.
No, it would be mid-30s, inching up there. And if we had shipping and handling, it'd be 1 for each top.
Yeah.
This is such an incredible way to get your essentials in order, to get some new colors in your wardrobe, to help build outfits. You know, today, like just a perfect day for that, seriously.
Can I tell you, people are already shopping. So let's talk about So Soft jersey, what that means for us in this top.
So Soft jersey is something new for us. It's rayon rich. So it's rayon, cotton, and spandex. It just has this beautiful, soft, drapey hand. And honestly, Leah, since we've been shipping this out, I get messages every day now, Gary, when are more So Soft jerseys coming back in stock? So it's comfortable, it's easy. You can do it as an underpinning, you can do it on its own, you can machine wash and tumble dry. It is that really refined jersey, as you see right there, that has like a luxury to it because of that rayon.
We're going to see it on Kalani in just a moment. Again, when we see how soft it is, and then you feel how soft it is to wear, and then I love that you did it in a silhouette that's just easy that I can wear year round. The sleeve length at about 3/4 is always right, and then the body of this too, Gary.
Yeah, you know, the neckline is beautiful. It's a gentle round neckline. We love a good 3/4 sleeve. It is year round for us. The body is easy. We do send out these tops with waist shape. It's not boxy, but a little extra room in that tummy, hip, and rear area for you. Just a beautiful, easy top to wear no matter what.
By the way, Kulani's wearing my favorite one, my favorite color from the trio that you'll get. Remember, you'll get 3. So if you're loving the yellow that she has on, that is going to come with the gray and the chambray. So we'll show you all of the colors, and I'll give you some updates because people are already shopping for this. And Kulani, by the way, is 5'2". Correct? 5'2". And she models it for you in the size small. So as you saw how it fit her, it's going to fit true to size with our Denim & Company size. So the first color combination, this will be the black, comes with the orchid and the pine green. We have about 500 if that's your choice. And I love that, you know, black is an essential, but all of these are colors that are year round. My personal favorite's going to include the yellow, and then that'll come with a light gray and also come with the chambray. And we have fewer than 400 there. This is your teal, alpine frost, and tapioca. And that's a soft white, correct, Gary, the tapioca color?
I think this is tapioca, right?
Did I miss it? Teal, teal comes with the white.
Yeah.
Okay, so teal, alpine frost, which is a kind of sagey green.
Sagey green.
And then white.
And white.
And not to be confused with tapioca. You can see tapioca is more like a tapioca color.
Like a creamy tan.
Yeah, that's perfect. And that'll come with the rose. We're calling this rose, but this is really,
It's really
more of
a peach.
Peach,
Yeah,
yeah.
Our salmon color.
And then there's the navy. And we only have 200 in that trio. And then this one, which includes the blue, the slate, and then what we're calling rose, which is more of a dusty mauve.
Dusty mauve.
We're
yeah.
last call for that set. So it works out to $20 per So Soft jersey top in a great silhouette as we see it on Kalani. And Gary, this is how we build a wardrobe, and
It
then
is.
always have the tops we need for whatever we're putting
Yeah,
together.
you're just going to find that it's so much easier to put outfits together when you have these kind of colors in your collection.
All right. Well, listen, you can stay in the process of ordering the set of 3 from Denim & Company, a 675608. And we'll, Gary, we're going to talk to you a little bit later about another option from Denim & Company.
Absolutely.
But for those who are interested in building a wardrobe, that's a great set. Oh, you know what, Teresa,